So we're outside of Cabela's in Hammond, Indiana. It's like there's some stuff going on outside. It's on sale, 50% off. It's really cool. Everything's on 50% off. Hi, John. Everything's real nice up there. Man, I'm glad it's nice outside.
Yeah.
I'm just taking a video nice of the summer. I call this a summer day. Cabela's got everything in there. That's why I call this Cabela's a big, beautiful area. Oh look, there's fishing. How much is it to fish? I know. How much is that? How much is it to fish? Nothing really? Yeah. That's cool.
We take tips though.
Do you really? I want to take a try. Yeah, well I'm going to stop because I'm going to try fishing, so peace.